Hello, my name is Anna Pollard, and I would like to share with you information about My Fun Science's mixed media art class. In our mixed media class, we offer a non-competitive step-by-step drawing method for children where self-expression and creativity can flourish. We also offer a wide variety of drawing styles and media. And in our mixed media class, everyone can learn to draw and feel proud of the results. We cover a wide variety of materials and art techniques. And you can check our class schedule at MyFunScience.com because we offer semester classes. And in our semester classes, if your student loves art and wants to continue taking our classes for mixed media, we never repeat a lesson, so your child will always be learning something new. You can also find at the MyFunScience.com website an example of our step-by-step drawing lesson. I began my professional career in the graphic and web design industry as a creative director in the field of information technology. I have an associate's degree in commercial art and advertising design, a BA in computer science, and a master's degree in business and marketing. After 15 years of professional IT work, I made a career change to share my technology and creative knowledge with students and began a career in teaching. I taught for 18 years in the public school system and now solely teach homeschooled students online. I am married, have a 27-year-old son, and I have adopted 7 cats and 2 horses. I am also a member of the Colored Pencil Society of America and create colored pencil art for show at local galleries. Thank you so much for watching our video, and I hope to see your children in my art class. Have a blessed day.